nightlife here was great. We had a great time. Thank you, Oak City Shredfest. What a great environment. Thanks for watching. I had a little problem when I set up for the Snir's Best Ride. Don't leave your gimbal cover on when you go to fly your drone, because this might happen. It doesn't know how to look straight. Remember to like and subscribe. Thanks so much. See ya.